all-new models featuring a single-cylinder, 4-valve, liquid-cooled engine will join the company's modern classics lineup for 2024. The 2024 Triumph Speed 400 joins the larger Speed Twin 900 and Speed Twin 1200, while the 2024 Triumph Scrambler 400X takes its design cues from the Scrambler 900 and Scrambler 1200 with an off-road pedigree that goes back to the first factory scramblers of the 1950s. Triumph says the new bikes are designed to deliver a fun, agile and confidence-inspiring ride for riders of all ages and experience levels. James Wood, Triumph's global product marketing manager, said when unveiling the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400X that the company's ambition with creating the small-bore bikes was to give a whole new generation of riders the opportunity to own a Triumph. The new TR Series engine is a fuel-injected, liquid-cooled 398cc single-cylinder engine making a claimed 39.5 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 27.7 pound-feet of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute and mated to a 6-speed gearbox, a slip, assist clutch and chain final drive. The engine is styled after Triumph's larger 900 and 1200 twins, with black powder-coated engine casings, machined cooling fins and a triangular-shaped alternator cover. The cylinder head does tilt forward instead of straight up like a traditional British twin, but from the right side, the TR engine certainly looks the part. The left side also resembles the larger models except it's missing a second header pipe, though you'll have to go to Triumph's website to know for sure, as Triumph did not provide any still photos of the left side of either bike. Both models use a new hybrid spine and perimeter tubular steel frame with a bolt-on rear subframe. The Scrambler 400X's fork is set further forward and it uses a longer chain, making for a longer wheelbase. Up front, Triumph installed a 43mm inverted big piston fork, while a single monoshock with external reservoir and adjustable preload sits at the rear. The Scrambler 400X's suspension offers increased travel to better handle off-road terrain. The fuel tanks hold 3.43 gallons, and while the fuel economy figures remain to be finalized, Triumph says it expects it to land somewhere around 80 mpg. Electronic aids common to both models include a Bosch ride-by-wire engine management system, switchable traction control and a Bosch dual-channel ABS which can be deactivated on the Scrambler 400X for off-road use. A torque assist clutch reduces lever effort and helps prevent the rear wheel from locking during downshifts. The lighting systems are all LED, and both models come standard with a steering lock and anti-theft immobilizer. The instrumentation combines an analog speedometer with an integrated LCD that shows engine speed, fuel level and the selected gear. A USB-C port allows for convenient charging of handlebar-mounted devices such as smartphones or navigation systems. The 400 models are pre-enabled for optional heated grips. The Speed 400 draws a lot of its styling from the Speed Twin 900 and 1200 with a bit of the more modern Trident 660 thrown in. Metzeler supplies its Sportec M9RR tires, with a 110/70ths R17 tire up front and a 150/60ths R17 at the rear. The front wheel is equipped with a 4-piston caliper and a 300mm rotor, a 230mm disc and a floating caliper for the rear brake. The Roadster offers a neutral riding position, with its aluminum tapered handlebar positioned slightly lower and further forward than on the Scrambler. The seat is 31.1 inches from the ground and combined with the slender width, most riders should find it easy to put both feet flat on the ground.